Hello, my name is Joshua Rudd with Ruddshomefarm, and today we're going to talk to you about the best type of grow tent that you can get as a beginner hydroponic grower. If you want to learn how to grow with hydroponics, check out my free 11-step guide on how to get started with hydroponics. And also included is my checklist for everything that you'll need to get started. Also, if you want any of my tools or equipment behind me, you can check out my website, where I have all my tools laid out for you in an easy to purchase manner. So let's get into it. So before I show you my grow tent here and we'll walk through, let's go over why you should buy a grow tent. So the biggest reason that I brought this grow tent is for the grow light efficiency. These tomatoes over here, I have 2 LED grow lights on top, but the penetration value of the light is very low. It just, as the difference between a foot and a foot and a half of penetration for the LED lights is drastic, and a lot of the bottom of the plant is dying as it grows upwards. And so that grow tent will help by maximizing the efficiency of the light given by my grow lights. You can also completely control the humidity and the temperature of the grow tent. If you need it, if your plants need warm, cool, lots of humidity, very dry, you can do that a lot easier in a grow tent than you can controlling like your whole basement or something like that. So another big deal is you can install filters in here to eliminate the smell of certain medicinal plants as you grow them. They tend to smell, and if you don't want to disturb your neighbors, then you put a certain carbon filter, and it's in a sealed enclosed area, and that'll filter out the smell for you. So, and finally, if you have, if you're not growing in your basement like me, like I could just dump water on the ground, it's easy, but these come with pans in them, so it can keep dirt, water, plant residue if you're growing in a non-basement area. If you want to grow, you can put this in your kitchen, you could put this in your living room, you could put this anywhere you want. It's enclosed, it's waterproof, you can keep the bugs in there, out of there too, if you seal it up right. It's all around good. So let's go ahead and tour this system that I have. So here we have the 2x4 Vivosun grow tent. It comes with a removable window patch, so you can take a look at your plants without, opening it up. It's got lots of holes, penetrating holes. So each of these is a penetrating hole. It's got some on the side too. Right here, hard to see, but you can penetrating holes. And it's got a neat little zipper where you can open and close the whole thing. Get access to your plants. There's even straps and stuff, but I haven't installed the straps yet to hold the window back. But there it is. And you can see this is my 2x4 light. This is my 4-foot long light. It works excellent in here, and I love how reflective it is. And here is your viewing and or exhausting ports. Here you got this side here, and this is the tray here. This is a waterproof tray, so if you're doing hydroponics and you spill some water, no worries. So I really enjoyed setting this up. I made a video on me struggling through making this grow tent. I struggle with just about any house project. I think that's part of it. So I didn't assemble it right, and then, it took me a while to figure it out. So, but overall, it was a super easy. I didn't need any tools. Very beginner friendly on how to set this up. And it's highly customizable. So if you have one need now, you could absolutely change it and adjust it to whatever needs that you might have. And like I said, it doesn't need the inline fan. You could just put a fan right here, and it'll blow air into the thing. You could put other fans in here. So it's just like, it could be as cheap or as expensive as you want. In case you're wondering how these attached, I use zip ties to hang these hooks here on both sides. Just zip ties. They come, like, some of them come with fancy straps that are adjustable and stuff like that, but since it's already got the chain on here and that's adjustable, zip ties do the thing. Okay. Also, if you want to put the shelf in here, this is a 4x2 by 5 foot tall shelf, and this will fit in there. I tried putting it in there just now and it didn't fit. But if I were to disassemble it and then rebuild it in there, this is just a regular shelf with multiple shelving units, kind of like this, but with less shelves, and not as tall. But that'll fit in there. So let's say if you want shelves of plants, you could put that in there. And that's kind of like my makeshift grow tent right here before I bought this one. So this one was highly inefficient, and it had a whole front face that didn't have protection. It wasn't protected from ventilation, humidity. And so this is the upgrade, and I'm very happy with this. So let's talk about accessories. So number one, the fan is necessary. So if you're gonna have some sort of fan. I have multiple of these. I have several of these suckers. They're just super cheap. And you just put those all around in there, and then that will just keep the air flowing throughout the thing. You definitely need grow lights. This is an indoor only sort of thing. And finally, you want those inline fans if you're growing medicinal plants, because you don't want that to stink. I'm not sure of all the rules on the stink and stuff, but probably want to be nice to your neighbors and not have your whole house smell with the medicinals. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this unit. This is a great one for beginners. It's highly customizable, very durable. This is some thick stuff, and it even comes with little patches and stuff in case you poke holes in it. Trying to see if I can get it. There you go. Comes with these patches, so let's say if you do accidentally scratch it. They really thought of everything. I highly recommend this Vivosun. Link is in the description. And I hope you enjoy the video. And I'll see you in the next time. Bye-bye.